Fight purses, also known as prize purses or prize money, refer to the financial compensation awarded to professional fighters for participating in a combat sports event. This term is commonly associated with sports like boxing, mixed martial arts, MMA, and professional wrestling, where fighters compete against each other in organized matches. The concept of fight purses is rooted in the notion that fighters should be rewarded for their skill, dedication, and the risks they undertake in the ring. The purse typically consists of a predetermined amount of money that is allocated to each fighter before the match, usually based on factors such as their reputation, ranking, and popularity. The total purse is often generated through various revenue streams, including ticket sales, pay-per-view purchases, sponsorships, and television broadcast rights. The distribution of the fight purse varies depending on the nature of the event and the contracts negotiated between fighters, promoters, and organizations. In some cases, fighters receive a fixed amount regardless of the outcome, while in others, they may earn additional bonuses or a percentage of the revenue generated by the event. The division of the purse can also differ between the main event fighters and those competing on the undercard. Fight purses play a significant role in attracting talented fighters to participate in professional competitions. They serve as an incentive for fighters to train, prepare, and put on a compelling performance. Higher-profile matches or championship bouts often feature larger purses, reflecting the heightened prestige and interest surrounding these events. The establishment of fair and equitable fight purses has been a topic of debate and scrutiny within combat sports. Critics argue that there can be disparities in how purses are distributed, with top-ranked or popular fighters receiving significantly higher compensation compared to their opponents. This has led to discussions about income inequality and the need for greater transparency and fairness in the distribution of prize money. In recent years, there have been efforts to address these concerns. Some combat sports organizations, such as the Ultimate Fighting Championship, UFC, in MMA, have implemented structured pay scales and performance-based bonuses to provide more equitable opportunities for fighters to earn higher purses. Additionally, fighters' associations and unions have emerged to advocate for fighters' rights and negotiate better financial terms. Fight purses not only impact the fighters, but also have implications for the overall growth and sustainability of combat sports. Adequate compensation can help attract top talent, encourage athletes to pursue professional careers, and ensure the long-term viability of the sport. Moreover, fair and transparent purse structures can enhance the reputation and credibility of the sport among fans, sponsors, and the general public. In conclusion, fight purses refer to the financial compensation awarded to professional fighters for their participation in combat sports events. These purses serve as incentives for fighters and reflect their skill, dedication, and the risks they undertake. The distribution and size of fight purses can vary, leading to debates about fairness and income inequality. Efforts have been made to address these concerns and ensure more equitable compensation for fighters. Fair fight purses are crucial for attracting top talent and sustaining the growth of combat sports as a whole.